G'day guys, this is Praveen from 360 Dental Marketing. I'm right here in ICC Sydney and ADX conference. It's pretty great here. And I'm with my good friend Albert from MW Partners, the specialized accountants in dentistry. So g'day Albert, how are you, mate?
Look, I'm really good. I'm also happy that we're able to run another 2 days here at ADX, because we've just got the news that they're not going to close us down because of the coronavirus, which is really good. But I'd also probably like to take the opportunity to mention now the seminar that we've got coming up.
That's going to be exciting.
It's going to be in Brisbane and Melbourne and Sydney as well in May.
Yep.
And it's on recession proofing your dental practice.
So where was the flyer? Can you show the flyers as well? I mean, we're just here so we are right here in a Credible booth. So Credible is a proud sponsor for this event. So what date would that be, Albert?
Yep. That's on the Melbourne's on the 16th of May.
Right.
Brisbane's then on the 23rd of May, and then Sydney's the 30th of May. All of those are a Saturday. It's a full day event with the 4 speakers that are on there. So that includes myself. I'm talking on accounting and tax-related matters, in particular your dental practice structure, to make sure that is the most tax-efficient way to run your business. We'll also have Dallas Sather from Lakeside Lawyers, who look at making sure that you can protect your asset, and your business is your most important asset. He'll also be speaking on service and facility agreements, those type of things for your contracting dentists. And of
it's
course,
very important, isn't it? Because obviously this time of the year, people are a little bit panic out.
Yeah. And then you've got your good friend speaking as well.
Dr. Padma Gadia, who is also a growth specialist. Many of the viewers would know her. She's a multi-practice practice owner. And what I like about her is she walks the talk. It's not about just delivering for the sake of delivery. She literally implement in her practices. And she's a great influencer. So she would be sharing a couple of tips about how to grow your practice, even though whatever the situations you are in, how to really take home good profit with all the channels or all the marketings you are doing. And I will be sharing about how to get...
I knew there was another speaker.
Yeah.
Here we go.
And I will be sharing about new patients. And you know what, Albert, obviously new patients is a lifeblood of business, isn't it? But the problem is these days, dentists spend so much in marketing and they don't get out of it. So what I will be sharing with the dentist or dental practice owners is how to 7 tips or 7 easy ways how they can attract new patients. Now you might be thinking all those any patients, but how to win literally or quality patients who are really looking for the high-end services. So I think it's all about the quality rather than just the quantity, and that's where we would be sharing about. So it's going to be pretty fun event, I bet, and obviously you would be seeing some of other speakers, including Padma, will doing a couple of other live videos as well. Is there any other thing you want to share at the moment?
No, I think, look, certainly have a look. We'll be promoting it over the course of the ADX here in Sydney. I think anyone that is not just concerned about their practice and their practice's growth, those ones that are just looking to get a step up, build their practice, should certainly seriously consider coming along, spending a few hours and getting some very, very good information for their practice.
And a lot of the viewers I can see here, and obviously this is only a dental event, so it's for the dentist. If you're a dentist right now watching, please like or share this video, and obviously we love to have you on 3 cities at this point. And no matter what, even if you could physically, if you can't, then also we're thinking about online delivery as well. But at the moment we are all going for the physical, and obviously we're very thankful for Credible to sponsor this event.
Yeah, and look, and just lastly, it's not just for practice owners.
Okay.
In particular, if you are considering buying a practice, or you know a dentist that maybe is even working for you and considering buying into your practice, potential practice owners will get a lot of value out of this seminar.
So how to recession-proof your dental practice.
That's it.
Beautiful. All right, thank you so much, Albert. I mean, our drinks is pretty ready to go. So
Glassware is.
glass is ready. So we will see you guys in a next day or two. All right, thanks for watching. Bye for now.